Hi friends, welcome to my channel Pooja's Kitchen Time. Today I am going to show you how to make street style crispy chicken pakoda. This is the ingredients list. In a bowl, add 250 grams of boneless chicken and add Kashmiri chili powder. You can use regular chili powder too. And add salt, chicken masala, turmeric, and some chopped green chilies, ginger garlic paste, and add an egg. Mix everything well and then add corn flour and rice flour. Then add cilantro, some chopped curry leaves, and lemon juice. Mix everything well, cover it and marinate it for minimum 20 minutes. After marination, heat oil to deep fry. Fry it till golden and crispy. This is a very good appetizer and an evening time snack. Now the pakodas are fried. They are crispy and golden. Now take them out and serve them hot. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment in the comment box below and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.